Good morning, my name is Matthew Beard. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Snow Seat and Pool. I'm going to show you how to pair up and play music through an additional audio device to your Seat. So most Seats will have a modern infotainment system that looks very similar to this sort of screen. You might have some slightly different buttons down the side of yours, but predominantly pairing up another device and playing music through it will be the same. So at the moment there is one phone paired up to this car. We can tell that because up in the top corner of the screen, although it's just disappeared now, it'll pop back in a second, will be the signal strength and also the battery power in the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair up another device. In this case it's an iPhone 6 to the car as well. So I need to select phone from the menu. At the bottom I've got settings, so I'm going to press settings. Going to go into Bluetooth, and I need to pair up this other device. So I want to go find devices, and the car's going to begin to look for a device. I also need to do the same thing on my phone. So just go to the Bluetooth menu. It's going to automatically begin to scan. Hopefully it's going to find the car in a second. Just wait for it to run through its cycle. So at the moment both the car and the phone are scanning for new devices. So the car's found my phone, so I shall select that. I want it to stream audio. So the car and the phone are both asking for a pairing key. I'm going to click pair on my phone, yes on the car. Just click a couple of yes menus on the phone. Okay, so both devices should now be connected. So if I want to play some music via my phone, so to stream it, press the media button on the side of the infotainment screen. It's already now come up with the source and it's picked up my phone automatically. So it's displaying the track name. If I want to play it, if I press the play button, I'll turn the volume up. There we go. So I can now scroll through the different tracks on my iPhone using the arrow keys on the steering wheel. This will select the next track in the library, so on and so forth. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.